Yahtzee upper section scoring. The game of Yahtzee is played by rolling 5 6-sided dice and scoring the results in a number of ways. For the purpose of this kata, the upper section of Yahtzee gives you 6 possible ways to score a roll. 1 times the number of 1s in the roll, 2 times the number of 2s, 3 times the number of 3s, and so on up to 6 times the number of 6. For instance, consider the roll 2, 3, 5, 5, 6. If we score this as 1s, the score will be 0, since there are no 1s in the roll. If we score it as 2s, the score would be 2, since there's 1, 2 in the roll. Scoring a roll in each of the 6 ways gives you the 6 possible scores: 0, 2, 3, 0, 10, 6. The maximum here is 10 because 2 times 5 is 10. You are given a Yahtzee dice roll, represented as a list with k integers from 1 to 10,000. Your task is to find the maximum possible score for this roll in the upper section of the Yahtzee scorecard. So this is the example of the Yahtzee upper section scoring. The limitations is the test will use following numbers: number of rolls, which is 50 less than k less than 5,000. Right. Okay. Right. Let's solve it.